Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with Facebook notifications. So if notifications from Facebook not working, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just go to the settings. In the settings you need to find notifications options. Here you can see it. Now just scroll down until you will see Facebook, just open it, and now you just need to tap here on allow notifications. So just choose from here all the options, and now you will receive notifications from Facebook. And if it doesn't work, just go to the general, just scroll down, find shutdown, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds, and just power on your phone again. And if you still have this problem, so just try to go to the general again, just tap on software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available updates, just download and install them on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also try to fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.